Asteroid 2025 OW to fly past Earth today at safe distance. A large asteroid named 2025 OW is passing Earth today at a safe distance, according to NASA. The object is approximately the size of a commercial airliner and is traveling at nearly 75,000 kilometers per hour. Although its speed and size might sound alarming, scientists confirm there is no threat to Earth. The asteroid will pass no closer than 393,000 miles from the planet, which is about 1.5 times the distance to the Moon. These types of near-Earth flybys happen regularly and are closely tracked by astronomers worldwide. "This is completely routine," said a NASA spokesperson. "We track thousands of similar objects every year. None currently pose a danger." While 2025 OW cannot be seen without powerful equipment, researchers plan to monitor it using radar and other tools. They aim to learn more about its rotation, surface, features, and structure. Such data helps scientists understand how asteroids behave and how to plan if a real threat ever emerges. The event also highlights the value of early warning systems and international space monitoring efforts. Even though serious impacts are rare, careful observation allows for preparation and global coordination. For now, 2025 OW remains a harmless visitor from space and a reminder of the dynamic environment beyond our skies.